paragraphs. Okay, please open page number 63. Okay. So in the 63 last two paragraphs you will read. Page number 63, last two paragraphs, and working with the text you will read. Okay. So as for your remembrance, let me repeat the incident. The daimyo was passing through the streets in a procession. So nobody should look at his face directly. That was the standing instruction. The old man waited, climbing a tree. So when the DMO was passing through that tree, what he did, he scattered a pinch of ash.
He was carried by a palanquin.
Yes. So he scattered a pinch of ash. The tree again loosened. So this impressed him. He became very happy and he gave many gifts to the honest old man. Similarly, the wicked old man also thought he would do like this, but the opposite happened. Why? Because the wind was in the opposite direction. So he put it, and what happened? The ash entered into the nose of and eyes of the deer, and it ruined all the fun. So he became very angry. When the Daimyo himself was almost directly under him, he threw a handful of ashes over his tree, which did not change a particle. The wind blew the fine dust in the nose and eyes of the Daimyo and his wife. So the Daimyo and his wife were affected by the ash entered into their nose and eyes. So sneezing and choking. So as a result, they sneezed and were choking. Choking means feeling difficulty in taking breath, feeling difficulty in breathing. So that they felt. As a result, the man whose business it was to try get down on your knees, seized the old fool by the collar, dragged him from the tree, and toppled him and his ass basket into the ditch by the root. Then beating him soundly left him for dead. So soundly means every beating he gave him. Soundly means beating and burn. So he was beaten. Right? Because he caused a discomfort to the daimyo. He caused a discomfort to the daimyo. So he was written black and white, and also was put in a ditch on the roadside because they thought he has died. He did not die, but they thought he has died. Okay, that's why he was bitten hard. Thus, the wicked old man died in the mud, but the kind old friend of the dog dwelt in peace and dignity, and both he and his wife lived into a green old age. Green old age means a happy old age. So, though they were old, if one is old, one should die naturally. But what happened? The old age should be lived with dignity. So, they lived till the last with dignity. Okay. Any doubt is there? You please express. Any doubt is there? So you see three times. Whatever the honest old man did, the same thing was done by the wicked old man, but his fixed point. Why? Because his intention was not good. Because
Sir, what page number?
yes.
Sir, what page number?
Page number 63. Please open.
Okay, sir.
So in the first instance, okay, the good old man had dog, and the dog showed in the well. In the first instance, then second, then the third. In all the items, the old man whose intention was good became successful, but the man whose intention was bad, he became unsuccessful. How? Because first of all, the dog showed in the hidden room. How? Because he offered many delicacies to the dog. Okay, so the dog was scratching the ground. So he went and he discovered a pile of food. The wicked man also did like this, but what happened? He got a dead kitten. The first instance. So when the dog was killed, the dog showed the old man in the dream how to cut the pine tree,
Make mortar and milk.
motor, and also
Made motor and milk.
yes. Then in the second instance, the dream incident. The dream incident also it happened. So the wicked old man also did like this, and he got a lot of foul-smelling worms. He did not get any wealth. Okay. In the third instance, what happened when the Devya was passing? He wanted that the Devya must be happy. So what he did is scattered a pinch of ash on the tree blossomed. The Devya was delighted and gave him many gifts. But this wicked old man did the same thing. The pinch of ash. So the ash scattered and entered into his nose and ears. He became extremely angry and he also punished him. So in three instances, so in the first instance, he killed the dog with anger. In the second instance, he broke everything, the meal and everything, and he made a fire. In the third instance, because of his bad nature, he created discomfort to the daimyo and was also punished. So he was left in the ditch, in the hole, assuming that he is dead. So he died in the mud, but the honest old man, he lived a happy old age and also enjoyed. Because everyone will die that when the death comes, but you know, he lived happily till he lived, till he was alive. Okay, so this is the moral. So those who are honest and hardworking will always enjoy it. Now you see page number 63 open. Working with the text. Now we have read the text in them, so we can yes. So you see the evidences. The old farmer is a kind person. What evidence of his kindness you will find in the first two paragraphs. So first two
Sir, can I
paragraphs.
tell?
Yes. Tell. Answer one.
Old farmer was a kind person. He and his wife loved their pet dog as their child. He was a patient and kind to everything that had life, and often turned up sword on purpose to give food to the birds.
Okay. Having good children. Then the old man
Loved his pet as his child.
as his child.
He often saw
And
he often turned up sword in order to feed birds.
So you can write one word, nourished him. Nourished him, or gave it different delicate food, kinds of delicate food to eat and nourished it. So all this will have one meaning. Second is that he was kind to all living things. What is the evidence? As he covered the, okay.
Sir,
Otherwise, how he was trying to, as he regarded the dog as his own child, 1 point. Second one, what he did for the dog also you can write, that how he made a blue cushion and gave him bits and bits of this. Okay.
Sir.
Yes. Any other answer is there? Please tell me, Chirag. Any other
Yes,
answer?
Sir.
Yes. Any more point you want to add? In the first two paragraphs, only find out.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First two paragraphs only. Any other point is there?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So
Sir.
he made a blue cushion. This one also you can write in, because in first two paragraphs there is no mention of being kind to worms, etc. So we will write for the
Sir,
dog.
but it is written blue crepe.
That one only. Made with cushion. Cushion means you are using every day dog and made it 2 points within first two paragraphs. Read bits of this. These two facts. So it will make the requirement of the question. Because first two paragraphs, though he was kind to all living things, there is no evidence within the first two paragraphs. So these two will do. Okay.
Sir, sir, in second point, second line, you have written the 2 times.
Okay. Okay.
sir.
Any other
Sir,
point? Second point. Okay. This point will conclude your first and second point. Any other point? First two paragraphs you read and tell me.
sir,
Yes.
सर वो अपने फर्स्ट आंसर में लास्ट वाली लाइन में क्या लिखा है?
Which one? See, having no children, the old man loved his pet as his child and nourished him.
ओके सर.
If you write this point, he covered the.
Old farmer was very kind-hearted and loving. He loved and fed his pet dog as grew it very their own baby. When he went to his
No,
field,
make it short. Don't tell such long answers. You
Sir,
should.
the second paragraph says that to provide food to the birds, the old farmer was will often turn up the surface of the ground.
Yes. He covered
He
the dog
respected every living thing.
on the surface of the ground. As he loved, as he was kind to all living things. Okay, this much you can make it short like this.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, in second region and second line, what you have written after of the surface of the
surface on the top I told no grass. We covered it grass. For
okay.
सर ने ग्राउंड लिखा, ग्राउंड, GROUND.
written number one, we will go to number. Have written this. Okay. So answer two will take now. So answer one we discussed at last. 2 points to get how he was kind to all living things and also how he nourished his own dog. Answer two. So where did the dog do to lead the farmer to the hidden gold? So
Sir, can
Sir,
I
I
tell?
will say. Sir, I will say.
Sir, can I
The
tell?
dog can run
Can I
running to his
okay,
master. I wanted it wanted the man to follow him to a spot. He lead them to a place where a lot of gold was buried. Thus, the poor old couple became rich.
okay. So the dog,
Sir, can I tell?
Sir,
yes,
can I tell?
you
Yes, sir.
one of you at one time.
Sir,
Yes, one at
the
one
dog
time.
came running to the farmer and kept on running to and fro till the farmer followed him. The dog began scratching the earth. The farmer thought that there is some dead cat or bone, so he started to dig the earth. Then he got the hidden gold. In this way,
So answer you all can
the
write now.
dog lied.
Yes.
And
Okay.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes.
the coin.
If your answer is different, you tell.
Sir, can I tell?
Don't tell same answer. If your answer is different, you tell. Yes, tell.
The dog came running towards the farmer. It kept his paws against his legs and with its head it kept on directing towards a spot behind him. The old man
So he scratched the ground. The old man who dug up the place. Found a
entirely
pile of gold. Okay.
enjoyed the dog, but it kept on winning and running to and from until the farmer followed it to the spot.
Yes. So second is clear now. Anybody has doubt about the second question?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So we'll go to third. So third question. Week one. How did the spirit of the dog help the farmer first?
So can I tell?
Yes. The
Sir,
spirit.
can I?
One
Sir,
of
can I tell?
After the dog's death, the dog kept helping the farmer. The spirit of the dog asked the farmer in his dream to cut down the pine tree over his grave and make mortar and milk for rice bean and bean sauce.
Sir, can I tell?
Sir, can I?
Sir, can I?
yeah, who has not got the chance, you give them chance. Okay, Kavya can tell. Kavya, can you tell?
Yes, sir. The farmer and his neighbor had done the same action. The result of the two actions were, however, not the same. The farmer's act had filled the tree with flowers, So the rewarded the farmer. The act of the farmers never had caused trouble to the Damno. The ashes entered the noses and eyes of the Damno and his wife. It caused much
See the
sneezing and
next
choking.
day, the spirit of the dog guided the farmer to cut the tree, pine tree, to make the pots and to make some pastry out of the grain. So when he did it, it all became gold coins. So when he weighed them to fine pieces, all fine particles of gold appeared. Second, no. When the dog was killed and the meal was burnt, he told the farmer to take the ash and scattered over the tree. In the tree, immediately the flowers blossomed. So in this way, two ways, two times, the spirit of the dog helped the farmer. Okay. Now number this 1 to 3 over no. Have you please note down in your notebook neatly because if school will reopen, we have to produce the notebook. So you see, it is working with the language and questions are there. Page number 64, you please open. Page 64. So read the grammar. So Ravi and Bridget. Okay. So number 4, one more question is there. So Kumudi will tell, why did the daimyo reward the farmer but punish the neighbor for the same act?
Sir, can I?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The farmer had
The farmer
sprinkled
had
the
the
ash
magical
over the
ashes. He
withered
made
cherry
the
tree and it
old tree
blossomed.
withered
Okay.
the
Daimos.
So
cherry.
one of you complete, then the other child will say. One of you
Sir,
complete.
can I tell?
Sir,
Yes.
can I?
Kumudi will complete, then
Yes.
Nityas will say.
The
Okay,
farmer
sir.
had the magical ashes. He made the old withered cherry tree blossom once again by sprinkling the ashes. So, Daimyo rewarded the farmer for this work. When his greedy neighbor heard about it, he took the ashes, and when the Daimyo was passing on the highway, he threw a handful ashes over the tree. The tree not blossom, rather a wind blew the fine dust in the noses and eyes of Daimyo and his wife.
Yes. So you
That is
are.
why his neighbor was punished for
Yes,
the same act.
now you tell.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
The old farmer scattered a pinch of ash over the tree. It burst into blossom. The daimyo was pleased to see and ordered some reward of silk cloth, cake, etc. to the farmer. But on the other hand, the greedy neighbor sprinkled handful of ash. The wind blew it and straight went into the eyes of the Damos and his wife. He got angry. He ordered to punish the wicked man to death.
Okay, very good. So all four answers you write down, then you will go to the page number 64, working in language.
Sir,
Yes.
I have doubt that spongy cakes means spongy cake का मतलब क्या होता है?
Spongy cake means the cake which is soft. Spongy means like sponge. Sponge is very soft, no? So similarly, the cake which is very soft is called spongy cake. Generally, we prefer to eat spongy cake.
At that time, cake was there.
Maybe in their country, it may be there. It has come to our country late. Otherwise, the names, the cake name, we may be preparing cake, but the name would have been different.
Okay.
Now, pastry we are telling. So pastry we don't know. It may be a modern word, but you know how to make the dough. Suppose your mother is preparing chapati. She is taking the flour and putting water, putting some salt and doing the dough. Okay. So whatever delicacy is made in our country, that is different names. So it has different names. So cakes may be equivalent of some other word at that time. We are thinking cake is a modern thing, not like that. It may be there, but not in the name of cake. Some other name it might have been used at that time. Okay. So this one you see working with language up to 4 you write. Then we will go working with the language. So it is a conversation between two people. Working language, two people, Ravi and Mudhu are talking. Ravi, what are you doing? Mudhu, I am reading a book. Ravi, who wrote it? Mudhu, Ruskin Bond. Ravi, where did you find it? Mudhu, the library. So these what, who, where, they are all question words. So in English, we have read up interrogative sentences. So when we read types of sentence, we come across interrogative sentences. Interrogative question is there. Okay. So generally, when we are asking about the person, we are using who will use to ask about persons. Okay. Which means about particular things or things. So generally, the questions are asked by using the words like what, who, where, which, when, why, how, like this. So in which occasion we use the particular question word, you must know. Then where means about the place. About the place.
To ask about the place.
Yes. Then when means when we are using when
About the time.
about the time.
To ask about the time.
Yes, about time. We are asking when did you go there? Means we are asking the time. Why means reason.
Reason or purpose.
Reason or
Reason or purpose.
Reason.
yes. How means
Mean,
about
manner
means
or
manner
degree.
or degree.
Manner or degree.
so when we are using how, we are asking the manner or degree. Then whose means about position. Manner or degree. Then I think we are coming to whose. Whose means position. So these are the question tags asked frequently when we are putting the question. So always when we ask about the person, we are using who. When we are asking about particular things, we are using which. When we are asking about the place, we are using where. When we are asking about time, we are using when. When we are asking the reason or purpose, we are using why. And when we are asking the manner or degree, we are using how. And when we are asking about the position, we are using whose. Please note down. Okay.
Noted, sir.
Noted, very good. So in this exercise, what we have to do, read the following paragraph and then question on the italicized phrases. So for each sentence, we have to make one question. Anil is in school. What kind of question you can ask? Anil is in school.
Sir, can I tell?
Where is Anil?
Yes.
Where is Anil?
Where is Anil?
Who is Anil? Where is Anil? Both are correct.
Where is Anil?
I am in school too.
Where are you?
Which row?
Where am I? Anil is sitting in the
Which
library.
row
Which
he
row
is
he is sitting in?
Where is he sitting?
Which row he is sitting in?
Where is Anil sitting also correct? He is sitting in the left. Or who is sitting in the left row? He is reading a book.
What is he doing?
What
What
is he doing?
is he doing?
Very good.
Question mark.
Okay, Anil's friend is sitting in the second row.
Where
Anil's friend is sitting?
where is Anil's friend sitting?
No. Who is sitting? You can ask about the person. And where is Anil's friend sitting? The teacher is writing on the blackboard.
Where is the teaching?
Who is writing
What
on
are the
the
teacher
blackboard?
doing?
Who is writing on the
Who is
blackboard?
writing on the
Who
blackboard?
is writing in the blackboard?
Better.
Writing in the blackboard.
Children are writing in their copybooks.
What some
Who is writing in the
What are some children doing?
What are the children doing?
What are some children doing?
What are the children doing? Very good. Then some children are looking out of the window.
What
Who
are some
looking out of
children
the
doing?
window?
What are some children?
Where are the children?
What are some children?
See, in the sentence, which action is more predominant and having more dominance, you please frame the question on the basis of that. Then you see now page number 65. 65 number 2, write appropriate question words in the blank space in the following dialogue. So, Ankita, roll number 1 is there. 7th day, roll number 1, others is there? No. Roll number 2.
The present, sir.
Okay, you tell the answer of number 2, bit 1. Yes, did you get this book?
सर आप सेवंथ बी की बात कर रहे हैं?
हाँ. Next
सर
7th
तो
day.
आदर्श
Okay.
तिवारी सेवंथ ए में है.
Okay, 7th day, otherwise 7th day you tell, no problem. Roll number 2. Tell this answer. 7th day, roll number 2. Number 2 from 65 page, you tell the answer. Yes, did you get this book?
Sir, he left the meeting.
He became afraid that I'm asking him. Okay, roll number 3, 7th day.
Present, sir.
Okay, tell the answer of bit 1, number 2. Neha, yes, did you get this book? See the reply. Accordingly, you make the question. Yes,
Sir, when? Sir, when?
Because he is replying no, yesterday morning. He is referring the time. So we are using when. Correct. Now 7th B, roll number 1. Anjali is there? No. Apurva is there? 7th B? Not there. Ajram is there? Not there. Now 7th A, roll number 4. Neha, this is your sister crying. 7th A, roll number 4, you please reply.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this you tell the next answer. Neha is asking. What Neha will ask you? Tell me. Yes.
Sir, may I tell?
Sir, others has joined.
Hey, wait. Roll number 4 will tell. Otherwise, others will tell. Okay. So, this is your sister crying.
Sir, Neha is. It is. Sir, 2 मिनट में पढ़ रहा हूँ.
See, reason is given. What will you use? If reason
Sir,
is
can I
given,
tell?
Sir, why? Sir, why?
okay, very good. Because reason is asked, so we can use why. So the answer would be, why is your sister crying? Because she has lost her doll. Now 7th B, roll number 5.
Sir, can I tell?
Sir, can I tell?
Okay, Dipanshu tell. Next one.
Sir, when?
When is there? Now
Sir, when is whose?
whose? Next one is whose, correct? Now last one, who will tell?
Sir, me. Can I
Sir,
tell?
can I tell?
Sir, how?
Sir, may I?
Can I tell? Sir, can I
Sir,
tell? How?
Yes,
Sir, how?
very good.
How?
How do you go to school? We walk to school, it is nearby. So all the answers are solved. Now again,
Yes, sir.
number 3. So number 2 we have done, number 1 we have done. Let us go to number 3. Okay. So number 3, same thing almost you can do at home. Otherwise, I will send you by.
Sir, can I say for first part answer?
Okay, number 3 you do in the Google and send me as assignment. Okay, I will
Okay, sir.
send you work. There you mention and number 3 you send. Okay, we will do the rest in next
Okay,
period.
sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, children. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thanks for teaching us.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.